Whether you've just installed your Tow-Pro and want to verify the correct operation, or you are experiencing an issue with your trailer brakes, this is how to test the Tow-Pro installation in your vehicle. This can be a tricky process on your own, so if you can recruit an assistant, the testing will be much easier. You will need a few tools. You will need a 5 to 21 watt globe with wires or a test light. The globe must be a filament type and not an LED or multimeter. The globe will wake the Tow-Pro up from standby mode and act as a set of dummy brake magnets. A limit of 21 watts is required as higher wattage bulbs have an initial inrush current as they first warm up that exceeds the trip point of the Tow-Pro's short circuit current detection. Now it's time to test. To test your Tow-Pro Elite, you will need to connect the filament globe between the earth pin, pin number 3, and trailer brake pin, pin number 5, of your trailer base. The LED on the remote head should illuminate. The LED will show a different colour depending on which mode it is in, or if the unit is uncalibrated. If the brake controller is in proportional mode, the LED will illuminate blue. If it is in user-controlled mode, the LED will be green, and if the unit is in calibration mode, the LED will flash green and blue. For testing, we need the unit to be in user-controlled mode. The reason for this is that in proportional mode, the Tow-Pro is measuring inertia, so if the vehicle is stationary, there is no inertia and the test may yield inaccurate results. If the LED is green or flashing blue-green, skip to the next step. To change modes, turn the remote dial fully anti-clockwise, then press and hold the brake pedal and double press the override button. You'll need to do this in a fast fashion, as if you were double-clicking a computer mouse button. Once the remote head is green, have someone watch the test light. With your foot on the brake pedal, as you slowly increase the dial from 0 through to 10, you will see the test light go from 0 brilliance to full brilliance. This is normal operation. You can also test the override function by pressing and holding the remote head button down. The globe will illuminate to the setting on the remote head. You can dial the knob up and down while holding it in to see the globe change brilliance. Once the test is completed, change back to proportional mode with the blue LED by repeating the following steps. Turn the remote dial fully anti-clockwise, press and hold the brake pedal, and double press the override button. Now, when your trailer is connected, you can set the nominal setting. If you feel like you need more braking, dial it up. If it's too much, dial it down accordingly. For more technical information and resources, visit the REDARC website or call our technical support line.